Okay. Tayo manonood ng sine. Problema ngayon, ang hirap Ang hirap kumuha ng parking. Yan, punuan. Puno. So, parking ang problema.
Ang sabi niya, pag may overlapping,
tayo sa Cerritos Mall. Gagabi na, maliwanag pa rin.
Siyempre, bibigyan ka niya ng responsibility dahil change ka. At kung dami mo pang ginagawa. O kaya kahit may ikaw ang relief, diba, ginagawa mo yung management.
Forever 21.
Sino? Oo nga, kaya nga alam niya nga na kaya nga gusto niya. Kasi bibigyan mo ng responsibility.
Cheesecake Factory.
Ayan, ito sinabihan kita. Wala bang color? Low color. Kailangan mo orange.
Ooh, or a couch?
Naparoon natin.
Naku, Diyos ko, daming
Borderlands.
Sabi ko, inaanan ko na lang. Hindi naman po kasi.
Nag-yosi.
Sabi ko, Deadpool and Wolverine, 7:30. Andiyan ata sila Angel.
Oh yeah? Sino kasama niya? Maganda raw?
Mine's not that tall.
349.
Thank you.
Ikot-ikot din tapos pansit tayo. Yung mga bata kumain na siguro.
Sino?
Yung ano. Magandang araw.
Sabi ko,
Ito ka broccoli.
so, yes. Can I have mix? Mix? Half and half? Yeah. Anong mix mo? Broccoli? And what? One orange chicken.
Oh.
Broccoli and orange chicken.
Tagal naman na akong di nag-soda eh.
Ha?
Soda naman ako ngayon. Tagal na ako nag-soda. Tapos na kumain. Tara, huwag tayong sine. Nung maaga pa eh. Meron pa kaming 30 minutes. Around Australia. Me, Tingin lang ako sa leads. Tingin lang ako dito. Maaga pa naman.
So, let's do it.
Oh my gosh. Sebastian.
Thank you.
Sebastian.
Aria.
50% off.
Yeah. So, if I want to say it's 35, thank you.
44.
45. Uh, 49ers?
From Japan.
You gotta stay healthy.
Facts. I'm a Lions fan. Y'all put us out the playoffs last year.
Percent off.
Bet my brother did. Take some money out of his monkey ass.
Why not? Make some money off it.
Hey, this team right here.
Raiders? Trash.
Oh, I'm good right now. Thank you.
They are trash. Yeah, I agree. I'm a Lions fan. Hopefully.
You know what? Lions jersey, what do you want to get?
Which one? Oh, I do like that one. I think they might have it over there in the locker room. You got a whole bunch right here.
Hi, good. How are you?
Hey, does the shit look tight on there or not?
How much with a fire rate?
That's 44.
Less, no discount?
Nah. Because it has a
Do you do
quarter on
customizing like this size?
it. We do, yeah. But you're gonna have to get a blank hat if we do that.
Yeah, how much is it for letters?
So like that, it range. I mean, it depends on how long the hat. But for us, it's gonna range about $26 to $30, depending on how big it is.
Would it be like per letter?
So, okay, so if you're trying to get it like that, because it's kind of large,
Mm-hmm.
if you want to get the letter itself, it's gonna be about $16. But then the whole trim and everything, it's from about 21, man.
Per letter.
And no, for
the whole thing.
For the whole thing, yeah.
So exactly like
Yeah,
that.
because the trim is different because it's raised.
This one is like a patch. So
Yeah, if it's a patch, then it's a different ballgame, man. Now we need the patch.
So this one, what do you think? The price
So
for
if
this
you only
one?
get Tokyo, only just Tokyo,
just
it's
Tokyo.
gonna be $16.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If you don't
With
get
this-
Tokyo, if
with
you
this size, right?
Yeah. Only Tokyo, not the background, nothing like that.
The beat looks good.
You're not basing on per letters?
No. I mean, it's the whole thing. Whole thing is that's
okay.
not the price.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Can I see it, boss? The pirates? Sorry, man.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
You don't have like a 7140?
Oh, the green ones now, bro.
And the
Greens
rest.
are all as is.
Pirates. It's one size, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of big.
Oh, it's not adjustable.
45. 60. Grapefruit. Pero ayoko yung ganito. Yung mga Mexico, yung mga ganito. Here's a drinking team. Ito mga ano, Pacifico, drink.
Oh, we're right here. We're going to wait for the video.
It's adjustable pa. DMC. Corona. Ayaw ko yung mga ganito.
Or the brim on the bottom.
Black sheep. Ano ko? Persuasion nga lang. $40. Series. Deadpool and what? Galing.
Okay, we're ready now. Pinch me now. So how you doing?
You're not the only one.
Kind of like late already. Gosh, the other horror movie.
Really?
Yeah, it's been there since 7.
So you saw it?
But it's already the light is already off.
Oh.
That's why you don't see us.
Marco.
Funny.
1, 2, 3. Oh my God. You're still there, Marco.
I know.
Fake yung tang niya, di ba?
No, that's real. That's a real dog.
Kaganyan yung dila?
Yeah, because he has no teeth. So
No.
when dogs don't have teeth, their tongue sticks out like that.
Mama, Steve. This tongue is not like that.
I said when they don't have teeth, that it's like that.
Where you going?
Okay, maganda yung palabas.
Okay, Dad. Dito tayo dyan. Dito tayo.
Bye. Burger, burger.